everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'll show you how to install an extractor fan to your cooker. This is the extractor fan that I'll be installing. To center properly the extractor fan, you have to measure how wide is the extractor fan. So mine is 90 centimeters. So I added some tape here on one side and some tape here. And this is the middle of the extractor fan. So I'm gonna add this bracket to the wall. I'm gonna drill one hole here in the middle first. For maximum efficiency, extractor fans should be installed between 65 and 75 centimeters high from the cooker. So I drilled a hole into something, I don't know, some steel bar or whatever. So I drilled another one here. I'll move the cooker a bit to the right to center the extractor fan. I'll add the plate. You should use a level, make sure it's straight. Now it's straight, we mark the other holes. Now we take the extractor fan and we need to put it on the bracket. So on these two brackets here, we have to put through these holes here. After you put the extractor fan in position, you have to drill a few more holes to secure it better. So here are some filters that you need to remove. So it's one here, another one here, and another one here. So one should be here, another one should be here. You can add a few more because there are other holes available, but this should be enough because the extractor fans, it's pretty sturdy, so it's not moving around. After installing the extractor, you have to put this flap. As you can see, it says here up. So you have to put it here. One into this hole and the other one here. If you have a hole outside, you can use this tube that comes with the extractor fan. Just put it here and take it outside. It's flexible and you can adjust it. But I don't have a hole, so I'll be using these carbon filters. They don't come with the extractor fan, you have to buy them separately. So those carbon filters should come over the fan there, like in this picture. So this should come on a sort of a bracket this clips on the top. I'll put one and I'll show how it goes. So it should go like this. These should be changed every 3 to 6 months. And there's another one on the other side. So I'll have to put that one as well. Next step is to put on the chimney. As you can see, the chimney comes in 2 parts. This one is the main part and this one is an extension in case you need to extend the chimney. As you can see here, I had to trim it down a bit to clear the cable, the power cable. Put the chimney like this, the extension, and you have this plate to reinforce it. To secure the chimney better, I need to attach this bracket up there. I'm gonna put the chimney to see exactly where it sits. So the bracket should be here. So I'm gonna mark it here. So the chimney now is secured. So you have 2 screws, one on top, one on the bottom on the left side and 2 on the right side. I've connected the extractor to power and now let's test it. Speed 1, speed 2, speed 3 and off. Lights on, lights off. I need to paint the wall and add a splashback panel, and I think we are done. All fitted now. Added the splashback panel, peeled the protection film from the extractor, added a trunking cable for the power cable. This is how it looks now. One mistake that I've done was when I measured the distance from the extractor fan to the cooker. Supposed to be 75 centimeters, but I measured from the bracket that is up here, so I had to remove the extractor, drill new holes, repaint the wall, and put the extractor back. So now it's how it should. I'll come back with videos for Astron, so make sure you subscribe.